If you're considering buying FellowshipOne for your church management needs, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Whether you're looking for an all-in-one solution or something that integrates easily with other tools, it's important to weigh its pros and cons. Stick around till the end to find out whether it's the right choice for you or if there's a better option available. First off, FellowshipOne is a popular church management software designed to simplify everything from member tracking to event registration. Compared to competitors like Planning Center and Breeze, it stands out with its comprehensive suite of features, but may not be the most intuitive for new users. Next thing, the user interface. While it offers a lot of functionality, the layout can feel a bit dated. If you're used to sleek, modern designs, navigating through FellowshipOne's interface may take some getting used to. In contrast, other platforms like Church Community Builder offer a cleaner, more contemporary look. The third thing, pricing. FellowshipOne operates on a subscription model, and depending on the number of members or churches you're managing, the cost can add up quickly. While it offers a range of packages, if you're a small church or just starting, competitors like Breeze or Tithe.li might offer better value for the price. The fourth thing is integrations. FellowshipOne integrates with other church tools, such as QuickBooks and MailChimp, but it doesn't have the same level of third-party integrations as Planning Center. If your church uses a lot of different software, this could be a limitation. Fifth thing, its mobile app. FellowshipOne offers a mobile app, but the functionality may not be as robust as other apps like Planning Center's. For example, Planning Center's app allows more detailed management on the go, making it easier to check in members or manage volunteer schedules in real time. The sixth thing, member management. FellowshipOne excels in its ability to manage detailed member profiles. It tracks attendance, donations, and involvement, making it useful for larger churches that need granular data. However, if you're a smaller church, you might find this level of detail a bit overwhelming compared to simpler options like Breeze. The seventh thing, donations. The donation tracking and online giving options are one of FellowshipOne's stronger features. It offers a seamless experience for members to give, and it's well integrated with reporting tools for churches. However, when compared to tools like Tithe.ly, it may lack some advanced giving features, such as text to give or customizable giving pages. Next thing, reporting. FellowshipOne offers strong reporting capabilities, especially when it comes to attendance and donation tracking. But if you're looking for in-depth analytics, you might find the reports to be a bit basic compared to competitors like ChurchTrack or Planning Center. The ninth thing is customer support. FellowshipOne offers a variety of support channels, including phone, email, and live chat. However, response times can vary, and some users have reported delays. For more responsive support, Church Community Builder and Breeze tend to get better reviews. The 10th thing, volunteer management. While FellowshipOne offers volunteer scheduling and management tools, they aren't as advanced as the features offered by Planning Center. If you rely heavily on volunteers and need advanced scheduling options, you might want to consider alternatives like Planning Center services. The 11th thing is training. FellowshipOne provides training resources, but you may need to spend some time learning how to use the platform effectively. The onboarding process is a bit more involved than others, so if you're a smaller team, that could be a drawback. Finally, scalability. FellowshipOne is well suited for larger churches, with the ability to scale up as your church grows. If you're a small church or looking for something lightweight, there are better options out there, like Breeze or Tithe.li, which are easier to use and more affordable. So, overall, FellowshipOne is a solid choice for larger churches that need a comprehensive church management solution. It has its drawbacks, especially when compared to some of the more user-friendly, cost-effective options out there. But if you're looking for something that can handle complex needs, it might be worth considering. However, if you want something simpler, more affordable, and just as effective, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it's a better fit for your church's needs.